Welcome everybody. I am very pleased to welcome here Anshu. Anshu is very special in my life, to be honest, because it was only 6 months ago and she established a very special Facebook group. It is for people who are a little bit shy and who don't know how to go online. And actually, it was my case in this time. And I am very, very grateful. She kind of pushed me in this time. She encouraged me. And really, I went there. It was my first time live, and it was great. I enjoyed. And I realized I am not a professional, but I would like to share my message with other people. So, and this is my gratefulness. I was inviting Anshu, and I'm very happy she agreed with me. So she's here with us. She's actually a member of our group, Academy of Holistic Freedom as well. And very, very short, she's speaker, she's coach, she's traveler, and she's explorer. So welcome, welcome here, Anshu, and please feel free with us here. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mira, for this incredible word. And I knew about me that you have told me about. And it's my honor that I am here with you today. And let me tell you one thing that, frankly, this is my first interview ever. And so, yeah, but I'm happy and I'm also nervous. This is the step of career that you have to face step by step. You have to upgrade yourself and according to the situations and according to the demand. Okay, so I'm very blessed that I'm able to sitting here. I'm feeling committed, enriched, and due to that experiences. So thank you, Mira. And so my message and if I talk about my mission, and before that I want to share a short intro about me, that yes, that as Mira expressed, that I'm Anshu Tiwari. My name is Anshu Tiwari. I'm from basically from India and New Delhi. So actually my mission is to to finding a inner voice, and I love to use my voice and talents to inspire you to aspire, to believe in yourself, and to know that anything you can achieve. So, it's been a 6 month ago. I just I'm a founder of Global Speakers Talk I just founded my company. And if I talk about a short intro about my company, so this is a basically international community of speakers community. And Global Speakers Talk mission is to spreading inner voice of the common voices, if you can say that, common voice to the top voice. Okay, our very basic strategy is to finding the speaker's voice, and also as with along with the common voice as well. So, because I believe that we all have our inner voice. Okay, you have, I have, and if I see many people has their own voice and message to share, to inspire to the world, right? But somehow they are not getting the right opportunity. Somehow they are just burdened with the lots of responsibility, and they feel very shy. They think that they are not able to share their message to the world because they are not inspiring. But God knows you can be the superpower, superwoman, superman for others life, and you are inspiring. You can others and inspire others life. But basically this thing have to change people, and that's what I'm working with my company. And frankly speaking, my company is growing very fast, and it's a just thanks to God that it's a giving a massive result to all the new coaches and speakers who wanted to show up, but something like we can say the word of fear, we can say the word of resistance. that they think these two things, fear and rejection, that stopping them to come show up in their social media account, whether it is about yeah, in social media we can say that, because after the COVID, all the speakers and coaches business are depend upon the social media. Okay, and I think this is a wonderful opportunity we can take it, because with before COVID, people were very limited and they are expressing only in their local cities. Even they are not jumping in their country as well. But after COVID, people have a more opportunity to share their messages to the world, because they are globally connected. If they wish to share their message, so they can impact others life globally, because on social media only you have to make your credible, you can just crack all the boundaries, and you are win.
Yeah,
You are win only the something, your limiting beliefs is stopping you, the mindset that you have already created, that is stopping you. But I want to, I want to inspire, I want to encourage all those speakers and new coaches who has already made their career in coaching line, that just come out from the camera. Okay, come out from your comfort zone, because no one cares what you are like what you are doing in your life. Only care people. So it is, you can impact others life, it is just only upon you. And this is something that I'm just starting my journey to inspire new coaches and speakers. And yeah, I'm on journey and I'm on mission.
yeah, absolutely. I do love your mission. And actually, I do agree with you. It's one of my aim to encourage people that everybody, we have very special gifts, talents, but sometimes we are not aware or we are shy to express it. Yeah. And when we have this courage to go in front of camera and not to think how I look and so on, how is my accent, but really express our energy, manifest what we really are, we can help so many people. And this is great that you know this, and then you realize that it's great time to support people and encourage them to do what they want to do, because honestly there is plenty of coaches, consultants who are afraid to go in front of camera. How I said, I was there half a year ago as well, but it's only about our decision, that we believe ourselves. And this is other stuff which I love what you said. It's everything about our self-belief. This, we need to believe ourselves, because we are already perfect, but we've forgotten this. Yeah, our true nature is we are happy, we are perfect, but we don't want how to cope with this. So thank you for this, for the sharing. And if you have kind of opportunity,
One thing, just Mira,
yeah,
one thing, just during
yes,
your
sorry,
conversation, just I have remind. Okay, I want to share that world need. I think I believe that world need and required a confident speaker rather than a you know sport in whatever they have sport in their languages. Doesn't matter. No matter you are sport in English languages, your English is perfect, your pronunciation is perfect, no matter. Because if you don't have confidence, so I don't think so you are ever able to speak in front of audiences. But if you have confidence, okay, if you are allowing yourself to speak in any time and anywhere, no matter you don't have a good English language skills and pronunciation skills, so you can speak, you can damn speak anywhere. So I think today people should be a confident speaker rather than a perfect English language with the skills speaker.
yeah,
Because as per my story, I'm also coming from a background there. My English language is not well, and a listener can grab this. and my pronunciation is also not good. But it's 3 to 4 years back when I started my journey in speaking line. I wanted to speak actually. My all the body, my all the sense was dying to speak actually and inspire people.
No.
But sometimes I feel sad that I don't have a good communication skills. I don't have a good pronunciation skills. But one thing I have realized that no matter I don't have, why not should I start with what, why, how? Can I start with some of the vocabulary? Okay, then maybe gradually I will develop, and I have done like the same. I started to speaking in front of camera. I just rehearse myself in front of mirror, and without any asking, I just started to inspire people, encourage people, okay, without any requirement. Even I just pick up my brother, sister, and I started to lecturing them. I started to talking about anything, any just pick up the topic, and I started to talk about this. So this is how I started my speaking line, and today see the result. Even today, I'm also process in the learning because I'm just trusting the process. I am trusting the process, and this is how I'm just created a global speaker stock where international people are there, and they are listening me, and I'm listening them. We are just supporting each other, and this is how I think the building of success, the building of any successful coaches and speakers.
Yeah. Okay. And now please image that you are powerful and you can make a rain during a lovely sunshine day. So it means a lovely big rainbow will come, and in this rainbow will be your message for everybody who is ready to receive it. Everybody who looks on this rainbow will message your energy and say, oh yes, that's true. So what you will put in this message, please?
I want to give the suggestions to the people these days. Like I know that everyone is busy in their priorities, okay, and whether it is their priorities is about relationships, relationship with the mom, parents, siblings, lover, husband, wife. They if they are busy with them with that relationships, whether they are just busy with their job, 9 to 5 job, and whether they are just busy with their unwanted and busy with nothing for important, okay. So I want to advise everybody, please find at least in 24 hours half an hour for yourself with your thoughts, okay. And if the moment when you are not realize that what is your purpose in your life, so for that only you have to spend your time with your thoughts, that you figure out actually why you are came here in this earth. One of very beautiful quotations somewhere I was reading, and I read actually, it was written that in this earth nature is exit, and air is exit, this earth is exit, okay, but we as a humans are a guest of this earth. So we, being a guest in this earth, we have to utilize our time, not to waste our time. Not like a family, like a permanent, human beings of this earth. We don't have to misuse our time because we have one life, my dear. We have one life, and if in this one life, if you don't, or if you are not doing for yourself, if you are not investing your life into something that makes you proud after some time, so frankly speaking, you are wasting your time. So how you will analyze that what you are doing, are you doing the right work for you, or you are just wasting your life? So that's what I'm suggesting you to do, that spend your with your thoughts, spend for yourself half an hour every day. Then gradually you will know that you will figure out why you are in this earth, why you came here in this earth, and what is your purpose. in this earth.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mira. Thank you. This is the wonderful, suggestions I want to suggest to the people, and hope people understand that, because people are known by with their purpose, as per their purpose. If you don't have a purpose, I think you are living like an insect,
Yeah.
right? Insect. And I think we are very lucky. If you are born as a human, living life as a humans, we are humans, so we are very lucky that God give us, gives our life uh, as a human, not an insect. So we have to get the benefit of this, get the advantage of this.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Actually, to be honest, it's one of my uh, aim as well, like support people if they are not aware about their gifts, about their purpose, about their mission. I'm using very special method how to find, or how to support people to realize their own gifts, their own purpose. So if anybody is in this situation, we can talk, and I think you have some similar approach. We can encourage people how to find why they are here, how they can support each other, and how we all can make our world better place. I think this is like mission.
Wow, wow. A big applause for you. You have a wonderful mission, and I just love it. I love it that, and really, this is a wonderful and beautiful that in your age you are inspiring many people. At this age, many retired people are just taking a rest, traveling here and there, wasting their time with their, with the relationships, with their families, and doing a party, rocking. This is important. I think this is important, but every time this is not important. Even I personally connect with my friends when I require to chill. Not every time I want to chill, because this chill will be no matter this chill where you where they are just harming you, right? So being at this age, you are doing a wonderful job and you are inspiring many at your age. And just I am very happy and very humble today, feeling encouraged that I'm just become of this part of your, this podcast. And
Thank
I thank you so much, Mira, for this
thank you.
wonderful and incredible opportunity.
You are very welcome. I'm very, very grateful you came here, and I hope we can do any talks in the future. We can support more people, because actually the name of this
Exactly.
podcast is like cooperating and supporting others. So I think it now is the
Wow.
best time, to really put as much people as possible and to create something amazing. What is our actually, in my opinion, it's our aim in our life to create something amazing, to become what we really are. Okay, so thank you very, very much.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Mira.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.